We are getting ready to hit the road and travel across the country and play some golf and sell golf products, promotional products, print products. But we couldn't do that without a golf ball company, right? OnCore Golf, the best golf balls on the market. I will tell you about them and how to get a big discount coming up on Long Driving. Welcome back and thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you get notified every time we have a contest giving away some of our products or just every time we upload a video. But we are headed across the country soon. Going to camp out at some golf courses and play their courses, sell them some unique products in the golf world and also in the promotional and print world. A lot of apparel as well. But one of our products is the OnCore golf ball. And if you've never heard of OnCore, they have the Avant, the Elixir, and the new Vero X1. And I'm telling you, these Vero X1 early releases, they are hot. They're going farther. Lower spin off the driver, comparable to a Pro V1. Josh Allen of the Buffalo Bills signed on with the company. So did Ezekiel Elliott for his charity tournament. And get this company will also logo your ball for free if you buy a bunch of balls for your foundation tournament, your charity tournament. But they have the Vero X1. The Elixir was their first ball right here, the green matted ball. Now they have 3 different colors in all their balls. The Avant 55, that's their lowest compression ball, comes in the yellow, the white, and the green. The Elixir really made a splash because of the matte green color of the golf ball. I'll take one out of here and show you. You can get them in all colors, but look how this matte green on the OnCore Elixir ball, which is about best you can get when you're laying in the grass and it's all green and it's nice and shiny of a matte green, not the shiny green. So you can find this ball. The Elixir and the Avant, they were the first ball, but here is what's going to be cool. All these balls, when we're traveling around in Ace the RV, we have a special website for Long Driving. It's called rv.golf. And if you go to rv.golf on the website, it takes you to our page where you can order. And for example, the Vero X1 early release, the True Performance ball, $39.99 a dozen. You can order them right there. But when you go to check out, make sure you hit ACE 2020, ACE 2020, ACE 2020. You're going to get 15% off that price. Works for all 3 OnCore balls, but our goal is to travel around the country. We're going to play with some locals at every course we go to. We're going to have them play the ball. We're going to get some testimonials and tell you how it performed with the real golfers in America as we travel to the PGA show all the way in Orlando. Nice little 4-month trip, but make sure you stay tuned to Long Driving. You're going to find out a lot more about a lot of our products. But the OnCore golf ball, rv.golf, rv.golf. That's where you need to go. ACE 2020, put in that code, you're going to get a discount. Try the matte green ones, I'm telling you. If you're a golfer and you lose balls, you're not going to lose that one. We'll see you next time on Long Driving.